And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube. My floor is a freaking mess. I just demolished see that right there? This stainless steel thing? I just took the inside of the fridge out. I have another one over here. I gotta take not a sawzall. I gotta take a sawzall to that one because there's the middle section I don't want, and I gotta scrape all the foam out of this one. And getting the foam out of these things really sucks because you gotta cut a little square and you gotta like keep cutting, and then all of a sudden it comes off. But I wanted that because I keep trying to collect sheets of metal for practicing, but I already explained that in another video. What the hell was I going to talk about again? I don't know. But anyway, I was going to make a video on something. No, I totally forgot. But my floor is covered in screws. There's stuff everywhere. And spring's almost here, and I'm trying to I would like to get this thing organized. Like, I got to bring my wobbly drill press over there, which I think I might do sometime this evening. I gotta work tomorrow, so I can't stay in super late. It's like 11. It's what, 11 o'clock at night, and I don't know what the hell I was saying. But anyway, I'll probably make this a short video just to put on there, because what the hell, it was oh, I know what I want to. Yeah, I wanted to say what the hell? No, wait, was it? Oh, to all the guys that are what do you call it, on YouTube, who joined my channel and stuff, thanks for watching. Also, I have to shout out to I don't know, whatever. I'll just upload this and I'll start another video, because that's what everybody does. Plus it's only a minute and a half long.